we're going to write up to a Firebase database from Python. So there are two ways you can write to a database. You can either set some values on the database to a certain value, or you can create new values where there were no values before. In Firebase, the terms we use for that are to set values, we say we are patching current values. If you want to send new ones, you post them. It's post. Okay, so post new things, patch, update things. Okay, you'll actually find that patch will actually create new things if it can't find any to update, but that's normally use it for updating. Okay, awesome. So let's go into my Python program here. Again, that should be for your database. You find that there, and also don't forget under manage packages, on Thorny you need to have Python-Firebase installed, not Firebase, Python-Firebase. Right, I'm going to run this, and it's going to go firebase.patch, and you'll see this popping up here, sensor/DHT, and these two values. So let's just see where they came from. Yeah, so I created, this is the location, and this is the data that I wanted to appear, the location, and there it is. Awesome. Now, let's say I want that to go up to 45, and I'm kind of simulating what a sensor might do. If I run this again, you'll note that it does not add on a new entry down here. It just updates the current ones, right? So I used this earlier on for my cookie sensor, which all it did is have one value. I don't need to have a long history of how many cookies were on the weighing scale 2 weeks ago. I just wanted to keep updating one value, you know? So in this case, I'd use patch. What if, though, you wanted to keep sending the temperature, but you also wanted to create a history of all the previous temperatures? In that case, updating isn't really what you want to do, because otherwise you're just going to have today's temperature right now. You want to post a string of data. So let's have a go at that. You just change patch to post. Press go. Now patch just updated it, but you'll see post has it's made this horrendous looking string of text, and it's put on some data there. Okay, but you'll see the difference with this is last time I ran this program and it just updated it. This time it didn't update it. It made a whole new entry and gave it another weird stringy thing, and you're probably suspecting at this stage, and you'd be right to suspect, that this stringy thing is some kind of unique identifier. It's very computer friendly, won't get mixed up, but not exactly human readable. But you know, there's ways around that. We'll do it in a different video. So that is posting data and patching data, and those are the two main methods used to add data to a database. There's also put, but like that's you'll be grand with your post and your patch. So just in summary, because you might get confused, patch is setting values to something that are already there, so just updating things, and post is sending a string of data, and you use posting for when you want a long history of 20,000 data points maybe over the last 2 months, and you want all of your things there. So that's pretty much it. Yeah.